So this is the side of the house that we're going to be working on. Excuse my voice, we're getting over a cold. We're just ready for a change over here. This whole setup needs to change. We're going to get rid of this desk, and then we're going to swap these areas. Like, we're going to make this the movie watching area, and then make this over here the office area. And we're going to be taking down this wall because it looks terrible. If you get up close, you can see that these boards are just like falling off the wall. This was peel and stick wood, which we thought would work because people said online that it worked for them, but I guess it's because we had the textured wall that it just didn't work. We tried to put the little nails in to hold it in. That didn't work, and so this wall is just embarrassing, and it's really dark. So we're just ready to rip this all down, repaint it. We're going to be getting rid of all this dark furniture. Okay, so this is turning out to be a bigger project than we thought it was going to be. It's so dusty, and like, we're getting over these colds, and this dust from scraping off these walls is not helping at all. But we are almost done. My husband is just finishing up, so I'm going to run up to the little hardware store that we have up the road before they close. I think they're closing in like an hour.
Finally got it all done. Made a huge mess, and we got most of it cleaned up, but Hannah's working on vacuuming the rest of it, and hopefully we have enough paint. Hannah had tried to run to the part store, but they closed a little early today. We wasn't aware of that,
like
so
15 minutes after I got there.
I think we have enough paint. We're gonna try to hopefully this is nice and smooth enough we can put it on there and not worry about it. This is just, it looks terrible, but it's actually really smooth. All this white stuff here is where all the glue came off.
As you can see, everything got covered in a layer of dust, so while the paint dries, I'm gonna get this all cleaned up. So it's the next afternoon and the living room is kind of where we left it yesterday. It's just kind of a disaster in here. So we are going to work on getting this cleaned up, get stuff switched around. We're going to switch all the computer and office stuff over to the other side where we had the movie area set up, and then we're going to switch the movie area over to this side. So Jalen's going to take apart all of his computer stuff because he's going to be moving, like I said, all over there. I already have my stuff over there. So there's just a ton of wires that have to be unplugged and plugged back in. So we've made some progress. We got this whole section emptied out. I didn't realize how big this room was until you get all the stuff emptied out of it. And we got everything put over here, but now we need to move the screen and the couch and stuff over here just temporarily until I get the new stuff in the mail. I'm getting a new stand for the screen, a new couch, a rug. I'm gonna totally redecorate this space, but that stuff is not coming for a little while, so we gotta just put the old stuff back over here temporary.
Jalen hooked up some lights behind the desk. He wanted me to come over here and see. Turned off all the lights. We're gonna get some Goo Gone and take all this off the side of the desk. Whoa! That looks pretty cool.
All the way around the
Nice
backside.
glow.
Yeah.
So we're both just gonna share this desk for now because it's so giant. We picked this one up free a little while back. And like I said, we're gonna remove all this off the side over here, but the lights look pretty cool. Now I just need to figure out what I'm gonna hang on this wall. Okay, so it is the third day now. I feel like this video has been all over the place. Hopefully you guys still enjoyed it. Before I end the video, I'll give you a quick peek at what things are looking like right now. So this area over here is going to be the new family/media room. We are going to be getting rid of this. We're going to be getting rid of this and this. I've got a new couch coming. I'm going to buy a new, probably like a little round ottoman, get a rug for in here. I've got a new one of these coming that is like about half the size, so it won't be up quite so high. So this room is going to get a complete makeover, so stay tuned for that video. I'll be filming all of that. And since this couch isn't like over here in the middle of the room, there is so much more room in here now. And then we've got stuff like temporarily set up over here. We set up this big desk like I showed you last night. I still have to get some stuff and get that sticky stuff off the side of the desk over there. We're going to be throwing away this lamp because it broke, and I need to figure out what I'm going to hang up on this wall right above this desk. So I want you guys to comment down below and let me know your suggestions on what I should hang up on this wall. So the new couch that I'm getting for here is kind of like an L-shaped couch, so it will take up more of the room. I think it's going to look a little bit better, and yeah, I can't wait to see how this all turns out in the end, so stay tuned to see what it looks like. So that is going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoy seeing us tackle house projects, then give this video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments if you liked it and all of your suggestions. I want to start doing those like doing all the things type videos where you basically do all the things in one video. You do like cleaning, cooking. I could share like a crock pot recipe or something, just kind of what I'm doing that day, some of my homeschool with Kyle, shopping, groceries, just like all of the things in one video and keep it kind of casual style. I think that would be super fun to film, so stay tuned for those videos. And of course, I'll always be posting a cleaning video once a week for you guys, so be sure you're subscribed so that you don't miss out on all of the new videos coming in the next month, and I will see you in my next video.